Hey guys, this is Gunner, and I just got my first fidget spinner. Hope you enjoy. So here it is. You want me to spin it? And as you can see, it goes for a long time. And my mom just gave me some cheese pizza. Still going and going and going. I don't think this thing's ever gonna stop. This thing's slowing down. It stopped. Oh, wait, it's still going, and it's